We chose Comprehension Express because we were looking for a solution to help us with our guided reading. We needed to improve attainment, we needed to find a solution that would help the children to increase their vocabulary, and I think for me personally I really wanted to find a scheme that would engage our reluctant readers, and I feel that in Comprehension Express we've managed to find something that hits all three of those objectives. I think it's had a lot of impact on the teacher's subject knowledge and confidence. I think the way that the reading skills are broken down into very explicit sets of skills, that's really helped. So being able to teach children the skill of prediction, being able to teach them the skill of really unpicking a text and finding clues to help them explain their answers. I'm not sure that historically we necessarily did that as well as we are now. We loved having whole class discussions about the text that we were reading, and the children also loved to sort of continue that discussion in their pairs and in responses in their workbooks. Some of the activities in the workbooks also asked the children to draw in response to what they've been reading, and that was really powerful. Another part of Comprehension Express that I really liked and I feel has helped our teachers is the think aloud concept. Now, I know that as a teacher, obviously myself, I use modelling and thinking aloud when I'm writing all the time. We're showing children how to write and we're modelling that very explicitly. But part of the Comprehension Express think aloud strategy means that we have to do that as a reader, and I know that I, as quite an experienced teacher, that's not something that I've ever really done before, and I know that we all really feel that that's benefited the pupils. In terms of engagement, it's had a huge impact. I have in my class alone boys that would never ever pick up a book prior to Comprehension Express, now coming and finding me in the morning that we're doing Comprehension Express and saying, Miss, are we doing the book today? Are we reading the book today? And they actually are excited. At the ends of lessons, when we have to stop and we've left the story on a cliffhanger, oh my, those children are so frustrated, and it sort of leaves them wanting more. And I'll be honest with you, that's not always something that I've ever really seen in some of our children.